Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to replace Audi A3 screen. Start by disconnecting the battery and removing the trim around the screen. Keep parts organized and photograph each step for reference. Use gentle leverage with plastic tools to avoid damaging clips. Note connector orientations and loosen 2 Torx screws holding the display. Carefully unplug the ribbon cable and swap in the replacement screen, reconnecting everything in reverse order and testing functionality. In this video, I will show how to replace Audi A3 screen. Start by gently prying up the dash trim around the screen, working slowly to release each clip. Keep pressure even and alternate sides to prevent warping. Once trim is free, set it aside on a soft cloth to avoid scratches. Inspect clips for damage and replace any broken pieces before proceeding to the next steps in the removal process. In this video, I will show how to replace Audi A3 screen. Quick recommendation: the Echo Dot smart speaker makes a fun companion while you work, providing clear audio and voice control to keep your hands free. It fits nicely on a workbench and helps you play repair tutorials or set timers. If you find this video helpful, please subscribe and like, and check the description for the link and other deals. Now let's get back to the video. In this video, I will show how to replace Audi A3 screen. Start by removing the Torx screws and pulling the screen forward slowly to access the ribbon cable. Unlock the connector latch and gently slide the cable free without bending pins. Connect the new screen, secure screws, and reconnect the battery to test power and touch response. If everything works, reattach trim pieces and confirm all dash functions operate as expected.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.